Apache. Additionally, the Little Bird helicopter can perform rescue transport, reconnaissance, attack logistics, and other missions. The Little Bird helicopter was developed by McDonnell Douglas and officially entered service in 1968. Its power system is equipped with an Allison 250 turboshaft engine, with a maximum power output of 650 horsepower, a maximum speed of 280 km per hour, a climb rate of 11 meters per second, a range of 480 kilometers, a fuselage weight of less than 700 kilograms, and a takeoff weight of 1.6 tons. Just looking at these numbers, the Little Bird helicopter would certainly not be considered outstanding, but after hearing about the following event, you will understand how formidable the Little Bird helicopter is. In 1993, the US military carried out a capture operation in the dangerous city of Mogadishu, which is the prototype of the movie Black Hawk Down. In the film, the NH-6 Little Bird helicopter showcased its agility and flexibility with its small stature, completing a series of difficult missions including transport, attack, and rescue in Mogadishu, thereby gaining fame in a single battle. Since that event, the Little Bird helicopter has been used by US Navy SEALs and several special forces as a dedicated aircraft for executing special missions. Attention, here's the question: why don't we have such an excellent V-shaped helicopter?